Hello everyone, welcome back to school everyone. Here 2 days because I was sick. So I'm perfect now.
Hey Japan. Can I go to bathroom?
Okay, but hurry up.
I'm going to pull fire drill. Okay, let's run to Mr. Japan's class.
Attention all students and staff. That wasn't a fire drill. Someone pull a fire alarm. You can't tell to pull fire drill. Is it now safe to go inside the building? Thank you.
Okay everyone, let's go back to class. Okay everyone, let's continue working.
Attention all students and staff. Lizzie, please report to the principal office. Thank you. Lizzie, I want to see you on the security camera.
Okay, fine. Yes, I pull fire drill.
Lizzie, how dare you pull a fire alarm? You know what that's, it'll call you parents right now.
No. Please don't call parents, I'm sorry.
Too bad, too sad.
Lizzie? How dare you pull a fire alarm? You know what that said, you grounded for 28819283847737282737372827373737382373732882376446 years. Go to your room now.
Can I play Roblox on computer?
No, you still grounded. Now go to your room.
Find wherever.
I'm here now, I'm not a living room anymore. Subscribe to my channel if you want. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Bye bye.